how are you? I hope you're doing fine and you're making all of your homeworks. Today we are going to draw a city, okay? With buildings and with a sunset. Do you know what a sunset is? Yes, very good. It's the time of the day when the sun is about to hide and it's about to get dark, okay? So we are going to be working with warm and cold colors, okay? I'm going to explain you in this video the difference between the warm and the cold colors, okay? And we are going to do something like this. You see, it's a city. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I made it. Okay, for this activity, you are going to need a white paper sheet. You are going to also need a black marker, a pencil, an eraser, and you are going to be using color pencils. Or if you have time and you have at home watercolor or paint, then you can use them, okay? But I'm going to work with color pencils. Very good. We are going to use our white paper sheet like this. It has to be horizontal, okay? Not vertical, horizontal. We are going to work with it like this. Then, the first thing that we are going to do is to make with your pencil 3 arrows from the bottom to the middle of my paper sheet. Look first how I'm going to do it. I make one like this. Okay, another one. A little bit longer. And the last one. Try to make the lines as straight as you can, okay? If you can't do it, then use a ruler, okay? And the last one. Like this. Okay, now I have 3 arrows from the bottom, to the top of my paper sheet. And now I'm going to complete them and I'm going to make these buildings. It's going to be a very easy way from here to the bottom. The next one. And the last one. When you finish your buildings, you're going to have something like this. You see, it was very easy and we just did 3 arrows and just some lines. Now, you can make another buildings smaller, just in the sides of the tall ones. Look, we are going to make another 3 buildings, okay? Just smaller. You make another arrow, you make another arrow here, and the last one. Very good. I did another 3 smaller arrows, 1, 2, and 3. Now complete them. Okay, how many many buildings do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 buildings. And it was very easy, right? Now we are going to make the windows. How do you think we can make windows? We're going to make tiny squares in our buildings. Look how I made them. One, 2, 3. Okay, it was easy. Now I'm going to make here just 1 and continue making windows in all of your buildings. Okay, now I finished my windows. You see, they doesn't have to be many of them, and they doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we are going to make the sun and the sky. We're going to make it with circles, so do it slowly. Okay, look how I'm going to make it. I'm going to start here with a small circle like this. Okay, and this is from where I am going to start. We are going to start making bigger and bigger and bigger circles. Okay, look. You see how they are not perfect? I'm just trying to make them as good as I can. Okay. Very good. Just like this. Okay, I want to see yours. Remember, they doesn't have to be perfect. Very good. When you finish this, then we are going to color. But you're not going to use any color. We are going to use cold colors for the buildings and warm colors for the sunset. Okay? For the sunset, I'm going to use yellow, orange, we're going to use purple, and we are going to use another different orange, or you can also use red. Okay, these are warm colors, and we are going to start. The sun is going to be yellow, and I'm going to start coloring my smaller circle yellow. Remember, be careful with the lines, okay? The next circle, I'm going to do it orange and yellow. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of orange, and I'm going to mix it with yellow, so we will have an orange more light. Just continue all the circle. Now we add yellow to the orange, You see, we skip a circle, okay? We are going to color it when we finish this one. Okay, we finished this one. Now we are missing this. This is going to be first yellow and then a little bit of orange. Okay, yellow, and a little bit of orange. Just a little bit, because we want it to be more yellow than the outsider one. Very good. Now we have 1, 2, 3 circles done. We are going to do the next one, and this one I would like it to be red. So paint the next circle. You can color it or paint it with red. And you're going to be using warm colors until you finish all of your sunset, okay? Okay, when you finish the sky, it's going to be like this, okay? We are just missing the buildings. And the buildings, we are going to color them with cold colors, okay? So I'm going to be using blue, darker blue. I'm going to be using light blue. I'm going to be using green, okay? Another type of blue green. And another green. These are cold colors, and these are the colors that we are going to use for our buildings, okay? I'm going to start with the dark blue, and I'm going to start with my building on the left, okay? And I'm going to color just one of the walls, just one, this wall, okay? Very careful. Enjoy the coloring. Try not to go out of the lines. Very good. Okay, very good. We finish just one of the walls. The other wall, I'm going to color it with a lighter blue, because it's supposed to be the wall where the sun hits with its light to the building. Be careful with the windows, okay? Because they are going to be another color. Very carefully. Very good. Like this. So my windows are going to be of the color of the other wall. So they're going to be dark blue. Like this, okay? Okay, now my other building, it's going to be just the same. Dark blue, just one of the walls. Be careful with the window. And the other wall, what color is it going to be? Lighter blue. Very good. Careful with the windows. And the windows, they are going to be light blue here and dark blue here. We finished the first buildings, okay? Now we are going to make the middle ones. In the middle ones, I'm going to start with this blue, and I'm going to use it in one wall, just in one wall. Okay, now my other building, it's going to be green. Okay, green with a lighter green, okay? And I'm going to start with the lighter green or lemon green in one of the walls. And the other wall, it's going to be a darker green. Like this. And of course the window also with this darker green. Now the next building, you can do it as you wish. Just remember to use your cold colors. Okay, now I finished my buildings. Okay, you see we have warm colors on the sunset and cold colors on the buildings. Very good. Now we are going to make all of our lines with black marker. You have to be very careful because these are the details that are going to make our artwork look more beautiful. So I'm going to start with all of my lines that I made with pencil. Now I'm going to do them again with my black marker. Okay, you have to make all the buildings and also the sunset. Each circle, very careful and slowly. Okay, I'm almost finished. Don't forget the windows. Three more. Very good. We finished, and it's going to be something like this. Very good. We finished now. Here is our city with our buildings and with our beautiful sunset. And it was very easy. And we also learned what's the difference between the warm and the cold colors. Okay, so I hope to see all of your artworks. Don't forget to send me your pictures, please, and I will see you next video. Don't forget, I miss you and I love you very much. Bye bye.